Today is January 26, 2021, up at Jim's house. He has a beautiful house with a deck, and it's snowing. It wasn't like that earlier in the day when we went to the lake in Lakeport and the regional park. But it's snowing now. It's really cold, and it's beautiful. Mount Canocti is over there, but you can't see it. And the lake is over there, but you can't see it. It's really coming down. It's beautiful. Love it. First snow that I saw this year, and I think it's the first for Jim too. Well, we're going to have dinner now. Bye.